Hello guys, in this video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-claim ng ating MP2 savings sa Pag-ibig. So to start, let's go to our Google Chrome and then sa search icon dito, i-type natin Virtual Pag-ibig. Ito, Virtual Pag-ibig. So, itong pinakaunang lalabas, click natin yan. So, click lang natin yan and then proceed. So, dito guys, before tayo mag-login, so makikita na natin dito, be a member, pay online, apply for loan, view records, claim Pag-ibig. So, dito tayo sa claim Pag-ibig savings. So, wag na tayong mag-login. So, click natin yan. So, dito makikita natin regular savings maturity, MP2 savings maturity. So, yung savings natin is MP2 savings. Iba yung regular savings maturity, yun yung monthly natin na contribution. So, pag nag-mature na tayo, so, during sa retirement natin, so pwede na natin ito i-claim. After 20 years, pwede siya mag-mature. Pero itong MP2 savings maturity, 5 years lang. So, yung savings natin na separate. So, 5 years, mag-mature na siya. So, pwede na natin siyang i-claim. So, click natin yan. So, andito naman guys, before getting started on your Pag-ibig savings, dapat you have to prepare the following. So, itong claim application form, which is, pwede mo siyang i-download dito. I-click mo lang itong link dito sa baba. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang i-print at saka fill upan. And then, scan mo sa cellphone mo. So, may copy ka na sa cellphone mo. So, one valid ID, cash card, yung loyalty card plus mo, and then selfie. So, yung selfie, dapat nakahawak ka sa valid ID and yung cash card mo nang sabay. So, mag-selfie ka with the two IDs. So, kapag kumpleto ka na sa 4 na requirements, then proceed na tayo. So, here, your MP2 account number. Put your MP2 account number. Proceed. So, lagay lang natin yung email address natin. Hindi kasi siya mag-proceed kapag hindi ka naglagay ng email address mo. So, select mode of release, Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or release through check. So, Loyalty Card Plus lang tayo. Pwede ka rin mag-check kung gusto mo. So, depende na sa'yo. Cash card number. Yung cash card number naman, makikita ito sa likod ng Loyalty Card Plus mo, sa likod. So, check LCP. Okay, select pa dahil. Select card. So, ano yung card, Loyalty Card Plus mo? So, select mo lang. Tapos, check. Valid na. So, lagay mo yung cash card number and then click next. Okay, proceed with your application. Okay. Magsasend sila ng one-time PIN sa ating cellphone number. So, hintayin lang natin yung OTP. So, ayan. 3968. 3968. Ayan. So, proceed. Note. So, dito ka submit your application. So, may note sila guys. Note, maximum file size is 3 MB. Documents allowed for uploading are images and PDF only. So, dito guys, i-attach na natin yung ating mga requirements. So, yung claim application form na fill-upan mo, so, upload mo dito. Upload. So, may copy naman tayo dito sa ating phone. So, ito guys. scanner siya. Select. So, kung makikita nyo, yung kulay green, meaning okay. Kasi kapag nag-red yan or yellow, hindi siya okay. So, dapat naka-green yung kulay ng upload nyo. So, your valid ID, upload. Yung valid ID ko, yung UMID lang yung in-attach ko. So, ayan guys, nag-green. So, okay siya. Selfie holding your ayan. So ayan guys, ano na siya. So submit na natin. Submit your application. Okay. So ayan na guys, you have successfully submitted your Pag-ibig Savings claim application, your online claim application reference number. So ayan, use this reference number should you wish to check the status of your claim application. Once approved, you will receive a text message from Pag-ibig Fund informing you that your application has been approved and how you can withdraw your Pag-ibig savings. Thank you. So, makaka-receive pa tayo ng message from Pag-ibig kapag nag-approve na yung ating application. So, ganun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!